Yeah, let's show you what's going on tonight in Milwaukee. LeBron had 25 at the half. His team was down 6 at the break. LeBron came out firing in the second half, Jalen.
And we call that a heat check. You cross half court, you pull up from three-point range, you know it's your night when you're LeBron James. And he's going off.
Yeah, I mean, these are not exactly, he's not in the lane doing this. I mean, he's 30 feet away.
He's not in the lane. He's in the backyard playing against cousins, neighbors, friends. He's just going off.
Well, that's basically LeBron against the entire team. The bench is only Ken watch. LeBron hit 4 straight threes to open the third quarter. He had 49 and still does have 49. 49 coming into the fourth, but he's calmed down a little bit here in the fourth quarter. What have you seen in the fourth quarter, Jalen?
Well, one thing I will say, I don't say this often, but that guy has the opportunity to probably be one of the greatest players literally of all time in NBA history. If he's able to shoot the basketball anywhere remotely like he's shooting it tonight, trouble for the NBA.
Yeah, I was going to say, LeBron is not known as a very good three-point shooter. I mean, this year about 30% career-wise, 33%. Is this something we need to see more of in his game? And how do the Cavs work that in with their offense?
It's just the evolution of a young player. He's such a versatile guy. He's able to pass the basketball, drive, and finish at the basket with the best of them. It's just a natural evolution of a young player maturing, and his jump shot looks tremendous tonight, I tell you that.